Welcome to the Walmart Maintenance Professional Certification and Training Program. This program helps you master core skills, enhance efficiency, achieve certification, and advance your career. As a Walmart maintenance professional, you'll ensure safe, efficient operation of all facility systems and equipment. Your core responsibilities include preventive maintenance, troubleshooting electrical and HVAC systems, maintaining safety compliance, documentation, and emergency response. The certification comes from Walmart Academy Training and Development. You'll need a high school diploma plus 2 years of maintenance experience or a technical degree with 1 year of experience. The training includes 120 hours of classroom instruction, 80 hours of hands-on training, and 40 hours of online modules, followed by a comprehensive exam. The exam has 150 questions completed over 3.5 hours. You need 75% to pass. It's computer-based with multiple choice and scenario questions covering 8 content domains equally. You'll get immediate results and have 2 retake opportunities if needed. You'll have 3.5 hours total, averaging 1.4 minutes per question, with an optional break at midpoint. The passing score is 113 out of 150 questions. Each question is equally weighted with no penalty for wrong answers, and you'll receive a detailed performance report. The exam content is organized by weight and priority. High priority domains include electrical systems at 18%, HVAC operations at 16%, and building automation at 12%. Medium priority areas are safety and compliance at 15% and plumbing systems at 12%. The low priority domain is preventive maintenance programs at 10%. Focus most of your study time on the high priority areas. Core skills include electrical diagnostics, HVAC systems, plumbing repairs, building automation, safety compliance, preventive maintenance, tool proficiency, documentation, emergency response, and team collaboration. Here's a test question. A circuit breaker repeatedly trips after reset. What's the first action? A. Replace with higher amperage. B. Identify and disconnect the load, then investigate. C. Bypass the breaker temporarily. Or D. Keep resetting it. The answer is B. Safety is paramount. When a breaker trips repeatedly, identify the load, disconnect it safely, and investigate the root cause. Use lockout-tagout procedures, test with a multimeter, inspect equipment, verify circuit capacity, and document everything. You'll work in 4 diverse environments: retail stores, distribution centers, corporate offices, and refrigeration areas, each with unique maintenance requirements. Critical standards is that you must follow OSHA compliance, including lockout-tagout, PPE, and hazard communication, plus regulatory standards like the National Electrical Code, EPA regulations, and building safety codes. Client interaction is essential. Maintain professional communication, practice active listening, provide transparent updates, resolve conflicts effectively, and always demonstrate a customer service mindset. Ethics and standards. Core ethical principles include integrity, honest reporting, respect for property, safety commitment, and confidentiality. Professional conduct means following Walmart's code of conduct, appropriate tool use, accurate documentation, and continuous skill development. For study preparation, review manuals systematically, create flashcards, complete practice questions, and schedule timed exams. Consider forming study groups to discuss topics and practice hands-on skills together. Plan for 8 to 12 weeks with 10 to 15 hours weekly. For the renewal requirements, your certification is valid for 3 years. Renewal requires 60 continuing education units through technical training, conferences, manufacturer training, and online modules. Stay current with evolving technologies and best practices. Here's your quick reference summary. The program includes 240 training hours and a 150-question exam requiring 75% to pass. Content covers 8 domains. Your certification is valid for 3 years with 60 CEUs needed for renewal. Success depends on 5 factors: study preparation, hands-on practice, safety focus, team collaboration, and continuous learning. Excellence in maintenance means building Walmart's future together. For free Walmart maintenance practice tests, prepare for success with our comprehensive practice materials and visit practicetestgeeks.com. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to get started today.